Hi guys, this is Miss Holybear. I will be demonstrating an activity for you guys to do for the comparing and ordering. Okay, some of the materials that you can use to practice comparing. Some of the materials I have are dice that you can do. I only have 2 dice, so it would be a 2-digit number. But if you do have dice, what you can do, you can, or if you only have 1, you can probably just row it 4 times. So then I can write, okay, that's a 3, and then I can roll it again, and land it on the 3 again, and then I can roll it again, and 6, 3, 3, 6, and then 2. So my number would be 3,362. So if you have 1 dice, you can roll it 4 times, and then get a 4-digit number or 5-digit number, okay? And also, if you do have playing cards, like I do right in front of me, I'm trying to show various ways because I don't know what materials you have at home, but like I said, if you don't have 2 dice, and you only have 1, you can roll the dice 4 or 5 times to make a 5-digit number, a 6-digit number, okay? Also, using playing cards is a way you can build a number and then compare. So if you have playing cards, let me try to make this a little bit neater for you guys to see. So I can put some numbers down here, okay? So my first number, I have 8,732. Okay, so I just built a number out of cards, and then I can come over here and then build another number right here for you guys. So then I have my next number would be 7,982. So I would look at both these. So I'm trying to compare, I'm trying to see what symbol can go in the middle. Okay, so we're doing less than, greater than, or equal to, okay? So I would fill in what goes here in that circle, okay? And if you need extra help, parents or students, you can also create a place value chart like I did. I'm just using materials that I have here at home. I have a construction paper that I just made a place value chart. 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000s, 10,000s. So a lot of my 3rd grade students were doing this. So you can use this. I always told them, like, put each digit in its place values so you can see and compare the numbers. So yes, using the playing cards is a great way to compare numbers. Okay, all right, so let me show you another way. And if you do not have playing cards, let me show another way, because I didn't know I had these. Another way you can do, students, I'm gonna flip this over. You can just make some numbers. So what you can do, like I wasn't too sure that I had playing cards. So what you can do, you can just get a blank sheet of paper, and I just fold it into 4ths, and again, and I just made my own. I wrote down from 0 to 9, and I wrote down a lot of numbers on these little squares, okay? So you can do this if you don't have playing cards or dice, okay? So let me go ahead, let's try to build a 3-digit number. Let's practice doing that right now, okay? So let's see, I have right here, okay? So parents, if you don't have playing cards available, or you don't have dice, a simple sheet of paper you can do just to make numbers from 0 to 9. I would do 2 sheets of paper and just make it from 0 to 9. That's what I did, so I can have a lot of different numbers. So I can create a 3-digit number, or I can create a 4-digit number, 5-digit number, a 6-digit number. And right here, and then you can start comparing. So I'm gonna do a 3-digit number. So my number is 625. The other number is 628. Okay, and once again, we're using the symbols. So this is what you can do to practice. Okay, students, so you can practice this. Like I said, sorry, it's coming out. So we would figure out what symbol will go in here, in between these two numbers. Is it the less than, okay? Third grade students, you're not doing the crocodile, okay? No. Okay, so less than, greater than, equal. What I always told my students is like, draw the number line, because a lot of them were always confused with the symbols. So I had just told them, okay, think of a number line and go like this and like this. So the number's starting over here, so let's pretend this is 0 and this is 10, okay? So I have 0 right here and I have 10 right here. Well, if you look right here, going this way on the number line, the numbers would be getting less, so small. So then this symbol means less than, okay? And then when we go up on a number line to 10, well then look, this number and this symbol means greater than, okay? So this is one way I was getting my students familiar with, so they can understand, oh, okay, yes, it's like on a number line, yes. So then I can see, okay, 625. Let's look at each digit, and we always did that. So they both have the same digit as the hundreds. They both have the same digit in tens. Oh, let's look at the ones. Wait, I have a 5, and I have an 8. Well, then let's see whose is bigger. Who will get the 2 dots? Well, I'm gonna leave this side, so then I would draw 2 dots, and then 1 dot, and then connect. Oops, so sorry. Okay, so this is a great activity that you can do at home, okay, students? Just practice. Like I said, I know a lot of you, you're probably like, okay, I don't want to do the 3-digit. Like I said, you can create a 4-digit number, okay? Or if you want to challenge yourself, do a 5-digit number, okay? Like I said, just get a blank piece of paper, fold it in fourths, and cut out, make your own cards, make it 0 to 9, and there you go. You have yourself some number cards, and you can practice comparing numbers, okay? Well, I hope this video helps you guys, okay? And I hope you enjoy it. All right, bye.